Imagine owning a stunning lakefront property in Colombia with sweeping views, a private dock, a jacuzzi to soak in, all surrounded by nature. A perfect blend of modern luxury and natural beauty. For just under $1 million, this could be your personal retreat or rental property on the lake. In this video, I'm going to show you an incredible property in Guatapé, just 2 hours away from Medellin. All right, so we are here at the property. This is the parking area, a lot of space for a bunch of cars. When we walk into the door, you can see that there's a long hallway. We hang a right, we go right into the living room area / dining room and kitchen. The kitchen has this long countertop, perfect for cooking together with people, hosting. It's got a couple of bar stools there for lunch or breakfast on the run. We're gonna walk over to these large doors that open up into this balcony that overlooks the lake. This has 3 balconies / terraces. I mean, they're very big. The total square meters of the built area is 330 square meters, which is about 3,552 square feet. The entire lot space is 4,760 square meters, which is about 1.18 acres. It's a 4-bedroom, 5.5 bath. That's the first half bath. We're gonna walk past the laundry area here with that stackable washer dryer. This is the first room. Each room has an in-suite bathroom, by the way, and they're pretty big, high ceilings, ceiling to floor windows, a lot of natural light. This is the bathroom, the in-suite bathroom of this first bedroom. And it really feels like you're living, with nature, right? Inside. There's the other bedroom with the in-suite bathroom. We're gonna walk down the hall, continue into the larger terrace area that has a jacuzzi, also overlooking the lake, surrounded by nature. A lot of sunlight. It's beautiful in Guatapé. This is the master bedroom here. It's a very large bedroom, king-size bed. It's got the in-suite bathroom. It's got a bathtub in there as well, which is really nice. Imagine owning this property and being able to get away in Guatapé, having a drink at sunset in the jacuzzi, or just hanging out on one of the balconies or one of the decks there. If you're a remote worker, you can live here. If you want to put it up on Airbnb and rent it out, that's what they currently use it as. This is a rental for them. And obviously weekend getaway for the owner. We're gonna go back down to the first floor. And this is a little gym area they built there. But look at this. This is like the living room area where you can actually watch TV. And it's got another bed here. Yeah, look how beautiful that property looks. And being right on the lake is great because you get to enjoy the lake. You can kayak, you can paddleboard, you can swim out on the lake. It's great. Annual property taxes are only 3 million pesos, which is about $720. So, I mean, it's negligible. Okay, this is a little area here is another hangout next to the dock on the lake. And I think it's a great use of the space. Obviously, for hosting and having people over, this is awesome. Having your family out here enjoying a fire, because it does get cooler at night out here, by the way, would be great. Maybe having a barbecue and having people hang out down here as well would be awesome. The asking price on this one is 4,150,000,000 Colombian pesos, which is just about $1 million in US currency. So if you're interested in this one and you want to come down and check it out, all you got to do is click the link in the description below, fill out our form. Somebody on our team will get back to you as soon as possible, and we'll make it happen.